Good morning or good afternoon, sixth grade grammar students. It is great to be with you this morning. I have a little video just to show you what we're doing today. You obviously know you have your Worldly Wise 11 quiz today, and you do need to work on it by yourself and without your book or using any other resources other than your brilliant mind. You're going to click this right here where it says Worldly Wise 11 6th grade Google Forms, and by now I assume you've done some Google Form quizzes, but you're going to, this is multiple choice, you're just going to click the button that is the answer and then just go to the next screen. There are, I believe, 20, yes, there are 20 different questions. So you're going to do great, and then you need to hit the submit button at the end and it will send it to me. I'll get the grades to you in a couple of days, hopefully tomorrow if everyone's taken it. But that is your quiz. If you have any questions, please email me. The other thing is, after that, this is something fun we're going to start doing. This is a Google slide, and when you click it, it's a Google slide presentation. This kind of describes to you what you're going to be doing. You're going to be these are writing prompts, so they're pictures that are going to give you ideas of things to write about. I don't care what order you do these in. You are going to eventually write. I'll probably have you all choose all of them. Maybe there's one. I'll let you opt out of one, so everyone will choose. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8. So for tomorrow, just worry about choosing one. I might go in and switch a picture around or something, but for now, for tomorrow, well, today, since it's going to be Wednesday when you get this, just go ahead. Let's say you decide to do this one. Your encounter with a great white shark. So this is like you, right? You're here, you're in this picture, and then you're going to go to the next screen, and you're going to, I'll click it over here, and you're going to write about it. You can just start typing right here on your computer. You can erase that if you want, right? I'm just going to erase it and start talking about it. And you can, start off with a quote or something exciting in the middle of the action. Or you could talk about, it was a boring day at the beach and my dad decided we would go fishing. And you can talk about it, whatever your creative minds, and I know all of you have really super creative minds. So if that's the one you choose, but you can go down, choose any of these pictures, and just write in the text slide that's right after it, just right there, and it will save it, and you'll be able to use it on another day. Now, speaking of that, I don't know if you'll know how to do this, but I am going to show you how to go to your Google Drive and make a folder so you can keep your stuff neatly by class. So when you're in your own, I'm going to pretend, I think I'll use Jack's. When you're in your Gmail account, do you see all these little, these 9 circles? If you click it, you'll see this cool Drive symbol right here. When you click Drive, Drive is just like the big brain that holds all of your different Google, whether it's a document or a slide or a form. So see, Jack has things organized, right, by his different classes. So you can make a folder too. Just go over here to New and say Folder. And when you click Folder, it makes a new folder, and you can give it a name. So what I would suggest is to be able to make a folder for each of your classes. So I'm going to call this 6th grade grammar. Jack is going to be surprised to have a 6th grade grammar folder. But and then you can make one for literature and for math, all your different subjects. And I'm going to hit create. And we're going to really trick Jack because I'm going to show you something. You can, now that I've got my folder, let's see, it is right here. I can drag things. If I click this and drag it down, let's see, this one I may not be able to. We'll do this one. I drag it and I can put it in that folder. Oh, and let's drag this one too and put that in the folder, right? So you can just drag things and sort things. It's just like if you had file folders and you were sorting your papers, okay? So I highly recommend you all do that. In this Google slide that you're getting today, you could put that in the folder with it so that you can easily see what you're doing and organize it all, okay? Yes, here's stuff from biology here. It's got all kinds of things in here. So I highly recommend you all make folders and organize your things. It will help you. And I will, if you have any questions about that, let me know. But enjoy getting creative today and writing. I can't wait to see what stories you all come up with. And I hope you do great on your quiz. I hope you have an awesome day today, and God bless you and your families.